points, these 3 points lie in a straight line. Find the value of k. So these 3 points, so let me draw a straight line. Let me call this A, this is point B, and this is point C. Okay, so because they are on the straight line, let me draw a sketch. Suppose this is A, this is sketch, this is not accurate drawing. The purpose of this sketch is to understand the concept, to help us to solve the question. This is B and this is C. All these 3 points are on a one straight line. So when all the points are on one straight line, so points are collinear. These points are collinear. Collinear means co means same, linear means line. They are on the same line. So because they are collinear, so the gradient of this AB, the gradient, let me call this gradient M1, and the gradient of BC, M2, must be equal, because the steepness is same all over the line. So the gradient of the part AB and gradient of part BC are equal. You can also take gradient AC as well, and you can say that gradient of AB and gradient of AC are equal. Even then the answer will be correct. You will get the same answer. So what is gradient AB? That is M1. So the gradient of the line, the part of the line AB. Okay, so let me call it M1. So using the formula, the gradient formula is y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. No? So here A is the point A is 2, 5, and the B is 3, 3. Okay, so now let me call it x1, y1, and this is x2 and y2. Okay, so put this into this formula. Y2, 3 minus 5 over 3 minus 2, and it is minus 2 over 1, which is minus 2. Okay, so this gradient is minus 2. Okay, now let's calculate gradient BC. Gradient of line BC using the same formula. The C is k, 1. So let me take this BC now. It is x2, x1. So now take this x1, y1. Okay, put this here. So y2 is 3, y1 is 1, and x2 is 3 minus, and x1 is k. So it is 2 over 3 minus k. Okay, so this M2 is 2 over 3 minus k. As 3 points lie in a straight line, they are on the same straight line, so therefore M1, let me call it M2, M1 must be equal to M2. Their slope, their gradient will be equal. So M1 is minus 2. It is equal to 2 over 3 minus k. So let me put 1 here, cross multiplication. So this will be minus 2 multiply 3 minus k equal to this 1 multiplied with 2. It is equal to 2. Expand, minus 6 plus 2k, 2. This 6 will come over here, plus 6. So 2 plus 6, which is 8. and this k is 8 over 2, 4. So k is 4. In the next part we have to find the equation of line. So for equation of line, the formula is y is equal to mx plus c. So because the gradient of the line all gradient is same wherever you go on this line, and the gradient is -2. So obviously this whole line will have the gradient -2. So the gradient is -2, it is -2x plus c. To find this c, we put any one of the 3 point in this equation. Because all the 3 points are on the same line, any point which is on the line can be put into the equation. So take any point. So let me use this 3, 3. You can take this 2, 5. You will get the same answer, and you can even get, k is 4, 4, 1. You can take 4, 1 as well. You get the same answer. So 3. This y is 3 and x is 3. C 3 -6, and then c is 3 plus 6, which is 9. So the c is 9. So equation of line is y is equal to mx. M is -2, 2x, and c is 9 plus 9. So this is the equation of line.